Now that we have a Tosca test event linked to qTest, there are another couple of use cases which I would like to cover. First of all, how to change the Tosca test event and have these changes, meaning how to add the new execution entry or how to remove one. Going with the first one, navigating to Tosca, I'm going to select Open Sample Application test case and dragging and dropping it to the corresponding already linked execution list. And as we know, this qTosca execution list is included in our qTosca test event. Since there's a change in one of the sub-objects of the test event, we are going to have to trigger update in qTest task. Simply right-click on the link test event and select update in qTest. Having connection details already provided and the project preselected, simply click link. At this point, Tosca will remind us that there's a test case which was not linked before, so we have to link it. Clicking OK. At this point, we are going to see the link with qTest dialog, where we can simply select a qTest module where we want to land, where we want to have the test case linked to basically. Clicking on link, yes, we are going to link a test event and the test case. Perfect. As the dialogs reminded us, we need to check in our changes. So let us quickly do that. Check in all. After the check in all happens, we expect to see on the qTest side, after refreshing the browser, a new execution entry in our qTosca test event. Let me quickly expand here. So now we can see Open Sample Application here. And if I navigate to the test design section in my qTosca module, now I can see that Open Sample Application test case arrived safely. Okay, so just to repeat it one more time, how can I add extra execution entries or remove them from my linked test event? Simply dragging and dropping the new execution entries in our linked execution list, and then trigger the update in qTest task on our test event.